Bazaruto is a rich ecosystem and have a beautiful diversity, especially the dugongs. The goal is to have at least 10% of marine protected areas, and we only have 2.5%.
What tagging allows us to do is it gives us a better sense of how animals are using different geographic regions. And that gives us a better sense about the scale of collaboration that's actually necessary in order to protect these animals long term.
After 2017, it was possible to increase our capacity in terms of monitoring the species. Because of that, we have improved the safety of the resources in the area. No matter where they are, like dugong and marine turtles, these are species which are legally protected. So we have to take care of them.
Então nós temos essa responsabilidade de garantir que os dugong existam ainda no parque, a fim de garantir que as presentes e futuras gerações consigam ver também esta espécie de dugong.